This screencast should give you some ideas about how to organize your essay based on the argument that you are trying to make. Before we begin, I want to say that I am indebted to the Colorado State University writing guides for a lot of the suggestions that are present in this presentation. While there is no one way to organize your essay, there is one way not to do it. Do not organize your essay source by source. In other words, do not spend a paragraph discussing source 1, then move on to a paragraph discussing source 2, and so on and so forth. Instead, you're going to want to organize your essay based on the argument that you're trying to make. First, you want to think about your audience. What will your audience find the most persuasive? What parts of your evidence will they find the most authoritative? What will they debate the least? After you answer these questions, you can put your answers down and organize your essay accordingly. Most persuasive first, or most authoritative first, what they'll debate the least first, what they'll find less authoritative later. You can also organize your essay by making a list of because statements or reasons to support your main claim. Then you can organize your essay based on these because statements. Finally, something that you can do is to create a list of pros and cons and organize your essay accordingly. So you can organize based on all the reasons for something, then all the reasons against something. You can organize your essay by splitting it up into a pro and then a con that goes with the pro, another pro and another con that goes with it, etc., etc. Remember that people remember best what they hear first and last. So try to sandwich your weakest points, the ones that you think are least salient or least convincing to your audience, right in the middle of your essay. The takeaway from this, many ways of organizing your essay. Because statements work really well, pros and cons statements work really well, thinking about your audience and what they are going to find the most persuasive and then organizing it accordingly works really well. But remember, and I'm going to scroll back here, do not organize your argument source by source.